I could be wrong, but I think I may have way too many cleaning products. This is it, everyone. We're starting on our next room makeover. So as a recap of where we stand on our budget, we are currently at $161.96. I need $300 to make over the cleaning closet along with the hallway. Well, half of the hallway. So I still need $138 to complete the entire makeover. So I'm going to be starting small. I'm going to be starting with our cleaning closet. And the first thing we're going to do is to remove everything. So in my last video, I asked you guys to comment whether or not I should paint the cedar walls white. As many of you know, Mr. C loves the cedar, but how many times does he come in here? Not a lot. He comes in here for toilet paper, maybe paper towels. That's it. I'm the one who's in and out of here the most. I think they're gonna look beautiful painted bright white, so I totally agree with you guys. I say we paint this baby white. It's going to look so freaking good, you guys. I need longer arms or a taller step stool. Yesterday I finished off the primer, and then late last night I decided to start on painting. And this morning, now that everything's bright white, I can see blemishes here and there that I need to fix. I have some rough spots I need to sand before I paint over those parts. But for the most part, you guys, I think it looks sensational. I am so happy I painted over the cedar. I really, really am. I think it looks phenomenal. And I should get all the painting completed today. I may get the stuff moved in here and call this a wrap, but you never know. You just never know.
There's a lot of
So remember earlier in this video I said this? I may get the stuff moved in here and call this a wrap, but you never know. You just never know. Yeah, so I decided to not put everything back into the cleaning closet because I'm going to have to take it right back out whenever I get ready to do the flooring, which means I'm going to be breaking this closet makeover up into a couple of videos. So next week I'm going to share with you how I'm going to do the flooring, but first we're going to have to see if I even have enough money to buy the flooring. So we're starting off this room makeover with $161.96 we have in cash so far for the budget. And over on eBay, I have sold $176.96 worth of items. And after eBay fees of $29.96, we're left with a net profit of $147. And of course, I don't keep all of that for the makeover. I only keep 70%. And that gives us $102.90 we're going to be adding to the $161.96 that we currently have. That gives us a new budget of $264.86. For this project so far, I have purchased paint, primer, the rollers, the brush, even the little rolling cart that I didn't really plan on buying, but I'm going to show you when I get ready to organize the closet how I'm going to use it. And all of that was a grand total of $89.47, bringing our total cash amount that we have to $175.39. In next week's video, I'm going to be installing the flooring in the cleaning closet. This is going to be the same tile I used in my entryway. And I'm not going to go into a lot of detail on the flooring because I do have one where I went into in-depth detail on how to do the peel and stick along with the grout. If you missed that video, I will leave it linked in the cards. So for the next video, we're going to kind of speed up the flooring process, and then we're going to dive into the organization of the cleaning closet to kind of wrap this whole room makeover up and get on to our next room makeover. As you guys know, we were working on half of the hallway along with the cleaning closet, but I think now I'm just going to get the cleaning closet one done and over with, and then we can start working on the hallway. So if you're not already a subscriber, I would love to have you join this community. If this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, I find items to flip for a profit, and then I take a portion of that money to make over the rooms in my home. Guys, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you right back here next week.